Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know if someone restrict you on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click or you can restrict someone. So you can see that I restrict this profile and this is my another profile. But how that profile know that I restrict? So let me open another profile. So I'm going into my another profile and I'm going to search for my second account. As you can see that I'm searching, but as you can see that I searched that account easily, but you can see that there is no way to know that if I am restricted by someone, as you can see that. And there is also no option in the settings, so you cannot know someone restrict you on Instagram. Because I check all the settings, there is no way, so you are unable to know if someone restrict you on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.